Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nowadays, news is surfaced on the social media that the cleric Maulana Tariq Jamil was forcefully stopped to deliver a speech in the gathering of preachers in the area of Mansehra. The said cleric is associated with Tablighi Jamaat since long. He himself claimed after that when he joined the Tablighi Jamaat, he was from the big family and he devoted his life for preaching all over the world. And giving bad names to the current organization of Tablighi Jamaat that they have halted his speech in the gathering. The organization of Tablighi Jamaat has voices over the current affiliation and the views of cleric Maulana Muhammad Tariq Jamil, so that being the organizational authority, they stopped him to deliver a speech. After that, devices has been raised about the personality lacks of Maulana Tariq Jamil and the organization of Tablighi Jamaat. Both have raised irrelevant and bad names to each other. Being an ordinary Muslim, I would like to suggest both the organization and Maulana Tariq Jamil not to lose the temperament and remain in senses while quoting their feelings about the current situation developed in the Mansehra district gathering. The cleric is a very knowledgeable person and have delivered on so many occasions that they have to follow the relationship with each other on the basis of equality and tranquility. Nowadays, the social media and the mainstream media are very fragile and firebrand platforms. In lieu of that, some views of the said cleric has been surfaced which are opponent to the personality of a big preacher. Parallel to that, the organization holding the control over the Tablighi Jamaat has also voiced some views. Those are not in favor of Maulana Tariq Jamil. If they have stopped to deliver a speech, being a known and knowledgeable scholar must have a patience to hold the situation. Because when the situation deteriorates about one's personality, or one person is stopped in the top gathering to speech, where he assumed that all the organization and other elements are under his personality. And there is a deviation in the equality platform, so that in the current situation the cleric Maulana Tariq Jamil and the organization of Tablighi Jamaat have to be very cautious while launching their views, because they are monitored everywhere. And the voices will be surfaced in parallel to their claims about each other.